Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to D-Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D-Don is back in the kitchen today to do what? Plantain fritters. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. And to all my supporters, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. So let's get started. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of sugar. You can use the dark sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, whatever, it doesn't matter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And nutmeg. You're gonna need a pinch of nutmeg. So this is the nutmeg, but I have to grate it. You can always use a ground nutmeg. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, some oil for frying. It doesn't matter what type of oil you have, but I'm using the olive oil. And you need the star of the show. Look, it's pretty. It's the plantain, ripe plantain. Well, the first thing you have to do, guys, we just want to peel the plantain. I don't want to use all of this plantain. I'm just going to use half because I don't want to make too much fritters. And as you can see, the plantain is already big. You want to remove the skin from the plantain. You just cut the plantain in pieces, just like this. Now putting it in. If you have a blender or a NutriBullet, put a little water to it, not too much, just enough water for it to blend. And I'm placing it on the NutriBullet, and here we go. That is enough. I'm just gonna rinse with just a little water. Put the cover on because you can see a lot of our plantain is inside of this thing, man. And just let me grate on the piece of nutmeg. It's just a little pinch of the nutmeg. And you're gonna add the nutmeg in the plantain. Also, I will be adding the sugar in. I don't think the sugar can go through the sieve, but let me try, but definitely the salt won't. So let me just put the salt in. And we're gonna sieve, because this is the fine sugar and the baking powder. We're gonna sieve them together. It's always good for you to sieve, so whatever you're doing become very light and you're looking for any object. Sometimes the flour has some little crawling insect in it. So when you sieve, you will see it come up. With the vanilla, you're gonna pour your vanilla in. You're gonna mix it around. Normally when I'm making plantain fritters, I like to use milk. Instead of the water, I just use a little milk. So now you're gonna combine the flour in. And you don't want to use all the flour at once. But I know the flour that I'm using is the accurate amount for what I'm doing. I'm gonna mix it up. Yeah, so we can come in with all our flour. So beautiful people, if you like this video and would like to see more, don't forget to share this video with a friend of a friend, friend of a friend, friend. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And sure you mix it properly. So you mix all the flour, let everything incorporated, and scrape the side of the bowl down. So we are looking like this, and this is the consistency that we need to have. The next thing, you're gonna have your skillet on the fire, because the skillet have to be hot before you put your fritters in. If you put it in and the skillet is not hot, it will stick to the pot bottom. It will stick in the bottom of the skillet. So now that the skillet is hot, within 1 minute, then you pour the oil in, and then we're just gonna spoon the plantain and place it in, just like that. You don't want it to go too close to each other. This keep running. So now I place all the plantain fritters in. You just want to move them around in the pot. You saw them move freely because the pot was heated. Meantime it's frying, you're just gonna watch for when you see the side here, like here, it's getting brown, then you know it's time to turn it over. And turn the fire down. You don't want to have the fire too much under it because they easily burn. So we just want to flip it over. I'm telling you, on a morning like this, when it's pouring rain outside, guys, nothing like some warm fried sweet plantain fritters with a nice cup of chocolate or coffee tea to wash it down. So just ensure you have the fire turned down. Right now my stove, it goes to 9 and I have it like on 2, just to tell you how low the fire is. See, it's very low. You have to have that fire down. When we get in there, just be patient. You don't want to leave these unattended because they easily burn, and you don't want to turn your back, and when you look around, your fritters burn up. And we are done. And how do you know that the fritters is ready? When you press on it, you see it spring back. See, it's springing back, and you see nothing pulping from the side. See, you press, nothing is pulping out from the side. So you know that your plantain fritters is ready. So it's time to remove it from the fire. Beautiful people, our plantain, sweet plantain, ripe plantain fritters is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Mouth watering. Please give it a try. I think you will love it. So beautiful people, please take good care of yourself. I love you. I'm gonna break one of these fritters so you can see how it's looking on the inside. Wow, it is hot. So you see, it's not raw on the inside, it is ready. And taste So good. It tastes so good, guys. So I thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and your support. One love. Peace.